Hello guys, welcome to Learn of Python. Till this point we have covered in the last tutorial, right? Now we'll go ahead and we'll see some more stuffs in the statistics. This is a minimum, right? We have already discussed how to read this box plot, right? This is the minimum line, this is the maximum line, and this is the median, right? This green line is a median. Now this 11 is the minimum. That's why this point value is 11, right? So this is simple. Now maximum is this one, and we have the number that is 40, that is a maximum number, right? Now this is count. Counts means how many numbers of data points you have. That is a count, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. It's a simple, right? Now sum. What is sum? See, we have this data point. I have plot over here that is in x column, x battery column, right? So you can see over here that in these data points 15 numbers occurs two times, so that's why I put 2. 11 occurs one time, that's why I put 1, right? 22 occurs one time, that's why I put 1. Okay, only 15 has occurs two times, that's why I put 2 over here, and I calculate the sum, that is a count, right? So this is a sum. Now we'll move ahead and we'll see this percentile. This is very important. First quartile, that is this one. Already we discussed this is the first quartile, this is the second quartile, this is the third quartile, right? First quartile we can call this is 25th quartile, 25%, this is 50, this is 75, right? Now we'll see how we can calculate the 25th percentile, right? So we have this data point, we have 8 elements over here, that is a index starting from 0, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? We have 8 elements. Now first of all we need to calculate the index of the 75th percentile. What we need to calculate? That index of 75th percentile. So this is simple formula, that is 25th percentile. 25 divided by 100 into n minus 1. N minus 1 means the number of element minus 1. So we have 8 elements, right? 8 minus 1, that is 7. We got the rank, that is a index 1.75. so we don't have that 1.75 index over here. We can't see over here. You can see here that 0 index we have, 1 index we have, 2 index we have, but between this 1 and 2 we don't have 1.75. we can't see over here, so we have to calculate that one, right? See, in the 1.75th index, in that index we have some more value, some value that is a 25th percentile, right? So in this place we'll calculate, in this place means 1.75 index. In this place we will calculate the which element is there, right? So simply what we will do, that for the first index we have this 15, right? And second index we have the 2. But what if means we don't know in the place of 1.75 which number is there. So simply we will separate one, that is this first index, and this is a 0.75 index we need to calculate between these 2 points, right? 16 and 15. So higher element is 16, because why we are taking this higher and lower? Higher is 16 and lower is 15, because this 25th percentile is lying between 15 and 16. Why? Because we are getting this index 1.75 between 1 and 2, right? That's why we are taking this higher, this is 16, and lower is 15. Now this is simple formula, that is 0.75. We have this one, right, in the place of 0.75. now higher is 16, lower is 15 plus lower, so 0.75, this is 15, 16 minus 15, that is 1, so we got this 15.75. so between 16 and 15 we have 15.75, that is a 25th percentile value. Hope this will make sense, guys. You can see in the right corner I have calculated in the Jupyter notebook, and I got the same output what we got over here, 15.75. in the Python it is very simple to calculate, that is just we need to import the package, that is numpy, and I have created the same array, same elements what we have over here, and simply np.percentile. A is this number of elements and q is the percentile, that is 25th percentile, right? So we got the output, that is 15.75, here as well 15.75. Hope this will make sense, guys. And then in the next slide we'll see the fifth, means second quartile. This is this one, right? This is a green line, median line. We have this data point. Simply I have removed one element, that is 40, that is this elements I have removed over here, right? That means we have 7 elements. 7 minus 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 elements we have. 7 minus 1 is 6, means index is 3. So we have index 3 over here. So no need to calculate the no need to further calculation like this what we did in the first quartile. So we have this 3 index over here, and value also we have. So we are getting the value that is second quartile, that is 20. And you can see here that I have calculated in the Jupyter notebook, and I have taken the same elements what we took over here, and I have calculated the percentile, that's 50, right? So we got 20. Hope this will make sense, guys. If you have the index present over here, then you can take that value. If you don't have, then you need to calculate like this, like right, you need to take the higher value and lower value, then you have to calculate. Now we'll see, that is last, and we'll stop the session over here. That is 75 percentile, that is third quartile, is this one, right? This is first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile, that is 75th. So we have the data point over here, it is 8 data point we have. Now we are calculating the index of this one. So we got 5.25, this is index. 5.25 means between 5 and 6, between 30 and 35 we have the 75th quartile, right? Now now we need to separate this 5 and 0.25. So we need to calculate with 0.25, because some over here this our third quartile elements we have, right? Now which is our higher and which is our lower? Simple is that is 35 is higher and 30 is lower. So 75th percentile equals to this is our what we have separate, that is 0.25 into higher minus lower plus lower, that is 30 minus 35 minus 30, that is 5 into 0.25 plus 30, we got 31.25. Means between this 30 and 35 we have the 75th quartile. We don't have this we have fifth index, but we don't have 5.25 index. That's why we need to calculate. If you have if the index you will get like 5 or 6, so you can take easily that number, because that number is present between your in your data set, right? But 5.25 elements is not there. That's why we need to calculate that element, that is 75th, that means third quartile, right? You can see over here that I have calculated this in the Jupyter notebook, and I have taken the same data points what we took over here, and simply np.percentile, this q equals to 75, means there is 75th percentile, and I got same output what we got in the practical session, right? In the Python, it's very simple to calculate the percentile, but this is a backend how this will work, right? Hope this will make sense, guys. In the next tutorial we'll see some more steps in the statistics. So please like and subscribe to my channel for more motivation. Thank you, guys.